Hello everyone, my name is Cilla and today I am at JCrete and with Mary Grygleski, who is a Java champion, very well-known speaker and very active in the Java communities.
Yeah.
So welcome Mary,
you.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you? Thank you, Cilla, for inviting me to your interview here. Yeah, it's exciting. Yeah.
Yes, it's a pleasure for me to have a conversation with you.
Thank you.
And right now, if you can see, we are at the seaside.
Yes.
So we are at a very well-known unconference at JCrete 2025.
That's right.
So how are your impressions so far from JCrete?
Wonderful. Yeah, it's been such wonderful location and great group of people, and also a fantastic unconference. And unconference is where we all gather and we suggest topics of discussions, and then we vote on it, and then we split into different breakout rooms and we all go and talk about the topic areas that interest us the most for the day, right? And we got 3 topics per day, and we had like 4 days of discussion. So you can see, as you can see, it's been very busy, but also very engaging conversations, and everybody participate. It's not just say whoever leads the topic. Is basically all the participants in the room become speakers too for that particular topic. So it's really been a lot of fun. So yeah.
Yes, sure. So we all contribute to the discussion.
That's right.
And I was at one of your sessions, which is about building communities.
Yes.
So you led this session.
Yeah.
And I think it's a very important topic to talk about. Can you tell us some words?
Sure. Yeah. So I decided, because I started becoming a JUG leader in 2015, so almost 10 years, but slowly I became president. But anyway, over the years I've seen a lot of people joining, and people are wanting to come, and they're students and could be new developers or experienced people. So and it's kind of nice to get everybody together, or people who are interested coming together and just talk about things. And also, not only that, right? We are in an industry that changing so fast, right? Every day there are new things that comes in, and these days, of course, there are also AI that come into the mix, and people have questions, and we want to talk about it. When we hear about the AI, big companies leaders are saying, oh, it's gonna take over our jobs, and all these kind of concerns, and how do we build a career, all these things, how do we grow? It's really great, to come together as a community and everybody talk about it too. And it's just so important, and also learn from one another, because there are just too many things. Nobody can know one single thing, the whole of this whole thing. So everybody has some specialty in some areas. We come together and basically share things, and everybody helping one another. So that is a good thing. So yeah.
Yes, I think it's a very good thing. And you are the president of the Chicago JUG, as far as I know.
Yeah, that's right.
And you also have some new initiatives.
Oh yeah,
right?
Sure. Now these days, because I'm in Chicago, but also through work, I started also working with AI, and I look at it like, now as I understand more, it's like a new tool that we need to do. We still need to, don't forget, we still need the programming platform to implement the solutions, right? Whatever AI wants to do, still we need, they're primarily Python now, but there are also Java that their libraries. For example, here at this unconference, we have Zorin, who is developing deep nets, and that's also a machine learning library too. And then there are also other ones, Spring AI or LangChain4j. These are all, we still do it in regular Java. Still kind of needs integration with the various, database, vector database, and even like interact maybe with Python, their languages. Can we actually, integrate other libraries into it, for example, things like that. So anyway, kind of back to it, is that I'm also now involved with a group called AI Collective, and that too, we are also trying to expand. They're into all over the world. They're local chapters. Even just doesn't have to be a major city, can be a smaller city, all these, and I'm just trying to also build up community in the AI area too. So
Yeah, so I think building up the community is very important.
Yeah.
And how difficult it is to find people, young people who engage in the community or join the community.
Sure. Now, for example, AI, there's actually, because it's becoming so popular these days, there are people coming to us, and especially from the universities as well. And so sometimes it's not as hard and to kind of get into AI, but then the challenge is that for AI, there can be many aspects of AI. You can be AI, for, building models, or AI inferencing, right? Applying the AI and working with models and building applications. So many things, not just that, right? There are also the manufacturing side, the hardware, the data center, everything, just like any other computing. So, so for us to also, we talk about attracting like young people. Yeah, there are certainly too. There's just people asking a lot of questions and coming to us. They want to start a community. So it's just showing that everybody likes the concept of community, because you want to be working with other people, sharing and all these. Yeah, these are all good things. And so and so for again, kind of coming back, for the young folks too, I think would be good if we do things like that. We can help them, especially young people. They want to learn or try to even start business and getting ideas. All these things. Yeah, coming together as a community, and you leverage on the community, giving you fresh ideas too. It's the way to go. So yeah.
Yes, and a nice example for this coming together is JCrete, where you can talk with a lot of people who you know in the industry.
That's right.
And today is a hacking day, so you can work together on open source and whatever you want.
That's right.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much, and thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mary, for the conversation.
Thank you, Scylla, for having me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.